What is going on, guys? Today me and Spence are at Forest of Dean and it is absolutely tipping it down. So I don't know how much footage is actually going to be usable because there's going to be mud flying everywhere. We're going to try and session some bits, just have a good time, but it's not the nicest of weather. I am absolutely drenched already and we only just rode down to the park, so let's see what happens. Let's smash it. Let's get it. Launch pad in the wet. Oh, oh, almost got bucked then. This shock is running so good. Whew. Sick. That was so quick. Yo.
That's so fast through there.
It's so sick, isn't it?
You are so mentally quick through that.
So sick. A little run into launch pad definitely helps. Gnarly. So we're following Spence down the jump skills area, getting his shred on.
Right, I'll go make a fool of myself then. Alright, wish me luck.
Get it, Spence. Yeah, dude. Yo. High on that one. Yeah, dude. Look at the exit. Yeah, boy. Yo, little whip in there as well. Yeah, boy. That was just a little bit more speed, I reckon. Take a left, Spence. Take a big old left. So Spence is going to have a good old go at the big bottom table. Just going to show Spence how to hit it right, and then he's going to have a couple hits with me following him.
Yep.
Let's give it a hit. All clear when you're ready. Yeah, dude. Yo. That is sick. You just need a slight bit more speed, like one pedal crank, and you got it.
Yep.
Right, Spence leading again, hitting the big table, bottom of the skills area. Yeah, same. Get it, boy. Yo! Yeah, dude. Oh. Oh. What was that? Fair play, man. That was sick. That was perfect. The second one, though. Did you nearly lose it then?
I took my feet like half off the pedals because I was like, sick!
Oh my god, no foot celebration. You had the speed just perfect then. So sick.
Sick, man. Hell yeah.
Yeah, Spence. Yo! Cleared the fat table. How'd you feel, Spence?
Sick, bruh.
Nice.
Clean.
Give me one of those. How wet is it, Spence?
Very.
It is absolutely tipping it down. And it's funny because summer ended yesterday. No, it ended today, didn't it? So summer ended today, and this is what we're blessed with.
Mark the end.
We're at the top. Right, Spence. It is absolutely hammering it down. Just going to try and enjoy it.
Send it.
See what happens. Bit of ski run. Let's get it. Do you want to? The tables down the side.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. Do you want to lead the way?
No, you do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, but all right. Oh my god! Are you serious? Wow! Oh, this is nasty. Oh. How's the How's the GoPro?
I think it's actually surviving.
You lead the way, my G. That's hilarious. I was like, don't want to get too muddy. I think that's gone straight out the window though. Woo! White t-shirt, not the best idea right now. Oh, oh no. Nice swerve. Oh man, my hands are dying.
His whole body's dying. So cold.
It's like riding in the bloody Arctic Circle. Where is this taking us? Oh yeah, we're at ski run now. Oh. Oh man, what a nightmare.
Hold on. Yeah, it is.
This video is going to be dreadful.
There you go.
Do you reckon? Right, let's get it.
Oh.
I doubt this one will be as puddled, Mile.
You say that?
Oh my god. God, I can't even see anything. That's so much fun in the wet. Woo! Mate, so sick.
Oh my days.
That section is so much fun. It's not raining anymore. Keep going down.
Yeah.
Coming for you, Spence. Whoa. Can't see anything through these goggles. Ah! Oh, this is gnarly. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, got a flat tyre. I seem to be an expert at getting flat tyres. So now we have to go all the way back up to the top to change the inner tube. We are back at the car now, gonna change the inner tube and then go back out for a little bit more shredding. It's lovely and muddy. Not the day to be wearing a white t-shirt, that's for sure. Inner tube is fixed. We are freezing cold. Let's go warm up. Nice and lovely now.
Oh yeah.
We just got absolutely soaked and then the sun comes out. Love it. So nice. We should have just come later.
We came earlier to avoid that.
Yeah. Rip summer. Gonna have to get on the old techie wet downhill this winter.
Yeah.
All about that. Rolling shot of Spence hitting the tabes. Woo! Huge puddles. Yo. Get it, Spence. So, bottom of ski run, you can see how muddy it is. Let's get it. Hope I don't get loads of crap in my eyes. Oh! Almost lost it then. Oh, oh, sick. So in the last VOD video, I was with my cousin Clifford, and we were smashing our way down through this in the dry, and it was gnarly then, but in the wet it is insane. So much fun though.
That bit does sketch me out a little bit.
Oh yeah, it's a bit slippery. Look how shiny those roots are there from people breaking on them. Spence is getting some bad cramp in his legs, so one like, one prayer. Subscribe for less lactic acid. A ski run, 2.2 special in the wet, making it a 4. Go gadget bicycle. Oh, woo! Oh, so much mud in my eyes. Love a bit of rain. Those roots are going to be treacherous now. Yeah. We're already wet, mate.
Whatever.
You love it, really? Bomber ski run in the rain. Woo! That was so fast. Oh, such a big puddle. That was so much fun, even though the footage is probably unusable. So much fun. Try not to get it flat on this again. Oh. Woo! That was so sick. Super wet GoPro lens. It's getting so dark as well. I think you can see behind me how dark it is, although the GoPro's probably correcting it. We are now gonna head home. Super stoked that Spence sent his biggest jump so far within 3 or 4 runs or something.
Yep.
We're gonna have more of Spencer on the channel, more of his progression, his riding, all that jazz.
Can't wait.
Really excited for that. And it's been so sick to test out the new coil shock as well. Been super sick. The difference is absolutely crazy. I think I'm gonna do a proper review on it soon, in the difference between my old air shock and the coil, because the difference today has been absolutely ridiculous. We're both loving riding in the wet. It's so sick, apart from getting loads of water everywhere and the GoPro getting wet. I'm gonna work on that, gonna fit a mud guard, hopefully sort that out. But yeah, cheers for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button. When you hit the bell button, it notifies you when I'm posting, and it just generally helps me out. And there's so many more videos. Coming up are some recommended videos from me, and I'll catch you again soon, guys. Cheers.